Hi there. My name is Mark, and this is a testimonial for Grace Gravestock. And taking her course has been a big game changer for me. I've gotten so many things out of learning from Grace and from the report that they generate in the course and all the course material and the weekly Q&As. I've gotten so much out of it. One of the big takeaways that I've gotten from all of this is with my decision-making strategy. I've always considered myself to be a very indecisive person. I've always overthought things and really struggled with making decisions. In my chart, I learned that I've got a strong intuition, and my best way of making decisions is through intuition. This was really surprising to me because most of my life, I don't even think I thought that intuition was a real thing. And I think now through this course and thinking about it and reflecting on my life, I've realized now that intuition is definitely a real thing. It's like a sixth sense, and I do have a strong intuition. And I've realized that I've had a strong intuition all my life. I just didn't recognize it or follow it or trust it. And now I'm definitely doing that. I'm starting to practice actually listening to my intuition and trusting it. And it's making decisions a lot easier for me. So I'm not having to worry about trying to overanalyze decisions. I can just go with my inner knowing and make a much easier time making decisions. So that's one of the big takeaways for me. I love it. It's just definitely been mind blowing. And I would definitely recommend working with Grace and taking the course.